Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Check this out. There's a Hovsco moped style GTRS e-bike. This is what it looks like when you get it. All you gotta do is put on the handlebars, front tire, pedals, that kind of thing. Very, very easy to assemble these bikes. And here it is, fully assembled, ready to rock and roll. This has 2 batteries on it. They sent me the dual battery moped style GTRS. They claim the range is up to 150 miles, which I kind of believe it. Depends how much you pedal with them. Big old headlight. Kind of anxious to try it. All right, well, let's jump over on their website real quick. I'll show you their website. All right, here's their website, hovsco.com. We're looking at the 1500 watt moped style. It's the Hov GTRS dual battery, up to 150 mile range. Depends how much you pedal with them. You know, that's all kind of, if you're just going to go full throttle, you get less. But if you're using the pedal assist, you will go a long ways. 1500 watt motor, 65 to 150 miles. We got 2 batteries. 32 mile top speed, that's pretty fast. 450 pound load capacity. It does have an app. These companies always run specials. Make sure you check their website. They're always, especially around holidays and all that. Here's some other review videos as well. Once again, it's hovsco.com. All right, let's take this thing for a ride. What do you say? Well, in conclusion, very, very nice bike. This thing has some power to it. A lot of power. With the dual batteries, those shocks on the rear, very comfortable ride. I could not feel the bumps. Some bikes you can really feel it. Front shocks in this thing too. Very comfortable ride. I was very impressed. So for a smaller frame bike, handled very well in the rocks, dirt here, in the sand. Because I do more, they call it all-terrain, more riding in dirt than I do on pavement. Depends where I travel to, but this is definitely a very well-built bike. And that big motor on this thing, you can really scoot. It's what you want. It's what you want in an e-bike. So I can easily see where you'd get close to 150 miles. Just got to pedal with it. Want to thank Hovsco for sending me the bike. This GTRS, I'll tell you, this thing is a beast. Small but mighty. Click the links down in the description, check out their website. Always look for deals. Remember, these companies always have specials going. You just gotta look, whether it's on Amazon, their website, whatever. Sign up for their newsletters too, but they always run specials. Thanks for watching.